Hey there, welcome to Learning Labs. Today we're in Meteorology, we're in Chapter 1, Astronomy, and we're on 1.2, which is all about the solar system. Planets of the solar system can be divided into two groups. We have the inner planets and we have the outer planets. Okay, the inner ones are the ones that are closest to the sun. We live on one of them. And the outer planets are beyond the asteroid belt. What can we tell about the inner planets? Well, it's small and warm. I don't know why there's a 7 there. But the inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They have solid rocky crusts that are much denser than the outer planets. None of the inner planets have rings. Very interesting. But they all have atmospheres and have a few moons. Some have a moon. We have the 4 planets. We have Mercury closest to the sun, Venus up next, Earth in the Goldilocks zone, and Mars right thereafter. Outer planets. Well, this is beyond the asteroid belt. After Mars is the asteroid belt, then comes Jupiter. Right? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are gas giants. They're made of gas, not solid rock like the inner planets. They formed when the temperatures of the solar system were lower, allowing lighter and less dense materials to clump together and form those planets. With higher temperatures and higher pressure, they form solids like the Earth rock, right? So less pressure, less temperature forms gas, like Jupiter. The cores of the gas giants are dense and rocky. Their revolution is much slower, take many years to orbit the sun. But they rotate in a period of hours, not day. So rotation this way, they do it much quicker. Check out these guys here. We have Jupiter and Saturn. Saturn has a ring, or actually it's multiple rings. Looks really cool. And Pluto is no longer a planet. All right. Between and beyond the planets. Most of them burn up before they hit the ground, but they're called shooting meteors, okay? Space rocks that reach the ground are called meteorites. Okay, a little difference there. Meteors can come from asteroids. So the asteroid belt is out there. They're floating around, they hit each other, they get knocked off course, and they start to head for one of the planets. At that point, they are meteors. Once they hit the ground of a planet, then they're meteorites. Comets, aka dirty snowballs, are mixtures of ice, rock, and dust. They float across the sky. Sometimes you see a shooting star or comet. So that is chapter 1, all about astronomy. Next chapter, we're going to talk about weather.